Welcome to another Brainy Buyer comparison. Every chart, test, and tip you're about to hear is funded by viewers like you. Subscribe and join the squad that keeps honest product intel free for everyone. So I'm looking at two propane grills here, the Nexgrill Deluxe 2-burner and the Weber Q28OON+. What are your initial thoughts?
Well, right off the bat, the price difference is noticeable. The Nexgrill is significantly cheaper, around $265. While the Weber is sitting at $499.
Yeah, that's a big jump. But what about the technical stuff? The Nexgrill boasts 28,000 BTUs, which sounds powerful.
How does that compare to the Weber? That's interesting. The Weber doesn't explicitly list BTU, but mentions 5275.28 watts of heating power, and it has a plus burner for searing. It looks like it can reach higher temperatures, from 250 degrees Fahrenheit to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you more control.
Okay, so heat control is a Weber advantage. What about size? The Nexgrill has a 401 SQN cooking area.
The Weber's cooking surface area is listed as 320 SQN, so the Nexgrill gives you more grilling space. But the Weber mentions it can fit up to 12 burgers or 2 racks of ribs, so it still seems decent.
More space versus more heat control. What about the grates themselves?
The Nexgrill uses porcelain-coated cast iron, which is pretty standard. The Weber also uses porcelain enameled cast iron, which should retain heat well for searing.
And what about features? The Nexgrill has foldable side tables, which is handy for space saving.
The Weber also has detachable side tables. Plus, it has a high dome lid for cooking larger items. It also has a grease tray for easier cleaning.
Okay, so both have convenient features. What about build quality?
The Nexgrill uses stainless steel and porcelain-coated steel. The Weber's frame is cast iron. Weber generally has a reputation for better durability.
Right, Weber is a well-known brand. And it has overall better customer review rating. So ultimately it seems like the Nexgrill is good value if you're on a budget and need more cooking space. But the Weber offers better heat control, potential durability, and brand recognition.
Exactly, it depends on what you prioritize. Do you want more cooking space for a lower price? Or are you willing to pay more for potentially better performance and longevity?
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.